It's important to keep the Acapella Vibratory PEP therapy system clean and germ-free. It's also important to inspect the device for damage before each use. If at any time you feel that the Acapella is damaged or not working properly, do not use it. Contact your healthcare provider for advice. Home use. Clean the device after each therapy session to prevent the growth of bacteria and disinfect it daily. The outside of the Acapella device should be cleaned with a mild household soap. Bleach should not be used. If the Acapella is used with a small volume nebulizer for the administration of medications, it should be cleaned and disinfected daily, applying the practices recommended by the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation for stopping the spread of germs. Disassemble the unit. There are 4 parts that need to be cleaned: the cover, the mouthpiece, the base, and the rocker assembly. Do not attempt to disassemble the rocker arm from its platform base. Separating these components may cause the device to function improperly. Carefully wash each part with a mild household liquid detergent to remove all secretions. Next, to disinfect, there are 4 recommended methods. Method 1. Place the parts of the device in a fresh solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol for 5 minutes. Method 2. Place the parts in a fresh solution of 3% hydrogen peroxide for 30 minutes. Method 3. Place the unit in the top shelf of a dishwasher for a normal cycle. That is, with water temperature greater than 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 30 minutes. Method 4. Boil the unit in water for 5 minutes. When you have disinfected using isopropyl alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, rinse the device with sterile water or water that has been boiled for at least 5 minutes, and then allow the Acapella to cool to room temperature and dry. Drain the device by placing it with the mouthpiece end downward in a resting position on a clean towel, and allow the device and mouthpiece to air dry. Lastly, reassemble Acapella for your next therapy session. Hospital use. Wipe down device if visibly soiled with hospital-approved disinfectant that does not contain bleach, or clean and disinfect per hospital protocol for single-use devices. Both Acapella Choice or Acapella Duet will withstand autoclaving. If autoclaving, the temperature should not exceed 136 degrees Celsius or 277 degrees Fahrenheit for a maximum of 30 cycles. Following the recommended cleaning and disinfecting procedures, with the exception of autoclaving, the Acapella Vibratory PEP therapy system should have a useful life of approximately 6 months under normal and customary usage.